Good morning students. Today we discuss about the nervous system in Hydra and Planaria. So let's see Hydra. Well, this is your structure for the species, that's a Hydra. Hydra, which is the species of your Cnidarium phylum. Which phylum? Cnidarium phylum. And which is the first primitive species which consists the nervous systems. Primitive means it's very earlier before the. Okay, and here a simple nervous system it's occur, but as compared to the Planaria, it consists in the central nervous system, but it is in the simple nervous system there. So let's see. So here you can see the in your diagram. This is a net-like structure. So in your Hydra, the nervous system is like a simple, so that it is a diffuse nervous system. Diffuse means a distributed in whole body. So this is a net-like structure. So all this net-like structure, there is your sensory cells are there and your nerve cells are there. And if you see here, these are the tentacles. Tentacle means these are a sensory nerve cells. So what happened? In a whole body of Hydra, there is a net-like structure. So in that net-like structure, two cells mainly important for sensory cell as well as your nerve cells are there. So the sensory cells which are scattered in whole body and they are interconnected to each other. Why? Because to get the impulse, to get the signals from all the parts of the body to the brain. So these are also scattered in your sensory nerve cells are there. So the tentacles, in your tentacle, sensory cells are present. So when the sensory cells are stimulated to the nerve cell, so due to they are interconnected to nerve cell, they reach the signal to the brain, so that the brain stimulates the activity of both the cells to carry out the functions of the Hydra in day-to-day life. And both the sensory cells and the nerve cells which scattered with the help of fiber, what they contain? They contain fiber to carry out the movement, to act as a locomotory organ. And if you see about the tentacles, which is a very small structure, but due to these simple nervous systems, they are having a diffuse in whole body. So the tentacles are responsible for the senses organ to, what can I say, to for the getting food, nutrition are there, minerals are there, to exchange materials are there. So mainly sensory cell and nerve cell which are most important factor in your Hydra. And this is about the specification. Which phylum? This phylum Cnidaria. The phylum Cnidaria, which is a simple and a very true species which consists the systems, but it's not like a human system. Because human consists the central nervous systems. We have the nerve cord, but in your Hydra species, it doesn't have any nerve cord are there. So this is all about your Hydra. But if you see the Planaria, well, which is very important, which having a complex nervous system, which Planaria, which is the species of the phylum, that's the phylum Platyhelminthes. Which species? Platyhelminthes, and which consists the complex nervous systems. Hydra में कौन सी थी? Simple, but in your Planaria, it consists of complex nervous system are there, and which is also belonging the most primitive nervous systems. Primitive means very early. Whatever the nervous systems occur first in the organisms, so that organism is your Planaria. So this is the your structure of Planaria organisms. See here the eyes on the dorsal cells. Dorsal cells means this, and the brain, nerve cord, and the transverse nerves which are present on the ventral sides. Ventral side means this side. Those I am standing in position, this is ventral, but this is the dorsal, and the eyes are present on the dorsal side of the Planaria. So the stone-like structure, these are your nerve cord. These are your nerve cord, and in between the nerve cord, a plate-like structure. This is your transverse nerve. Transverse nerve. So what it contains? It contains your central nervous systems on the dorsal sides. So whatever the nerve cord which are present in all over the body of Planaria, which stimulate the cells, which stimulate the organ. How? See. So but this is your eyes. So eyes on the dorsal sides. Whatever the eyes are seen, so the eyes are given to the impulse to this where? To the nerve cord. तो इसके पास तो नर्व बॉडी सबसे ज्यादा नजदीक कौन है, नर्व कॉर्ड आर देयर। ओके, सो व्हेन द सिग्नल आर गिव टू द नर्व कॉर्ड reaches to the inside the whole body, and in between two nerve cord what is present, here is the presence of your transverse nerve, the transverse nerve which are directly connected to the brain here on the ventral side। अभी आईज ने सिग्नल किसको दिया, नर्व कॉर्ड को, नर्व कॉर्ड किसको अटैच है, ट्रांसवर्स नर्व को। सो नाउ द ट्रांसवर्स नर्व which against impulses and which stimulate the nervous system towards the brain, अब ये इंफॉर्मेशन कैरी करेगा ब्रेन तक, और फिर नाउ ब्रेन हैज स्टिमुलेट एंड ब्रेन गिव अ री सिग्नल दैट आई हैव टू स्टॉप द एक्टिविटी टू द विजन। ट्रांसवर्स नर्व क्या करेगा, जब ब्रेन के पास लेके जाएगा, ब्रेन उसको सिग्नल देगा कि अभी ये इंफॉर्मेशन है, ये जो एक्टिविटी आप क्लोज करो, स्टॉप द एक्टिविटी। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस passing of the signal, passing of the impulse are carried out, and due to the presence of ventral side, we also call a ventral nerve cord. The brain or presence of your ventral side, so that you can also call the system as a ventral nerve cord. In the above example of Hydra, it is a simple, so it is available in the cockroach. Your mosquitoes are there in cockroaches. You can see frog is also there. But in your planaria, it is a complex, so it's directly related to the human nervous systems are there। अभी human body में भी central nervous systems है, because we contain the spinal cord, we contain the whole body as a CNS system, so it is the planaria, it also contains the CNS central, क्योंकि इसके पीछे जो nerve cord, human body में क्या है, spinal cord, इनकी body में क्या है, nerve cord, और body is totally body interconnected into each other। The planaria, which body is also connected with the help of transverse nerve, so the quite to be similar to the human body। The expansion of properly organized system involving the brain, and it's gradually increase the size and function as the requirement is there। So as per the requirement, there is the size and the function will be increases। Okay, so this is all about your two systems, one nerve system in Hydra, another one nervous system in your planaria। So today we close both the nervous systems। Thank you so much and have a nice day।